Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on OnePlus Nord 3V. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. And click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel. And now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you have to sign in, or you can click not now. And you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now again. And now your Firefox browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.